Hello everyone, today I have the mega monster phone from Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime Edition, which is filled with many quality features. Without any further delay, let's get started. I'm Alex and welcome to Miss Missing Tech channel. This is the Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime Edition. The one I have is the space black variant with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, which is available for around 16.5k Indian rupees. This is the space black M31 phone. There is a section within the lid of the box which holds the SIM tray pin and the documentation of the phone. They provide USB-A to USB-C cable, and of course they provide a charging adapter. On the right side, it has a power and volume control button. On the top, there's a secondary microphone. On the bottom, there's a headphone jack, USB-C port, primary microphone and speaker. On the left side, there is the triple slot SIM tray. Regarding the security feature, it has face unlock feature and has a rear mounted fingerprint scanner on the back side. This phone has a 6.1-inch Super AMOLED Full HD display which is protected with Gorilla Glass. It has the latest Android 10 version available. It has the 2.3 GHz Exynos 9611 octa-core processor, which will be pretty good for gaming performance. Talking about the battery, it has a huge 6000 mAh battery which will give a monstrous battery life compared to other smartphones. Talking about the camera, it allows recording 4K videos on the front and the back camera. The quad camera consists of 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 5 megapixel macro lens and another 5 megapixel depth camera. It has the infinite U design on the front with a 32 megapixel front-facing camera. The cameras on this phone provides very neat photos with the normal, telescopic and macro photo lenses. The base variant comes in 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage at a price of 15.5k Indian rupees. The other variant which I am holding right now is the 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage phone, which cost around 16.5k Indian rupees. So that's all from me today. Looks like a pretty good phone for a 15k Indian rupee price range. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you all soon with more tech videos. Stay safe.